Hello, I'm Lima Alpha 6 November Charlie Alpha. In this video, I will design a AM transmitter for 80 meter. I have collected some parts here, wooden box, some tubes, 12A6, and in the end of the video I will have a QSO with this transmitter. I have some ideas for a modulator.
I have glued 2 wooden strips to attach the front plate. I measure and make marks where I will drill. I drill a 4.2 millimeter hole and make threads with a 5 millimeter thread tap. I press the plate down and make the threads all the way through the plate and the wood. I screw down a 5 millimeter screw. I drill and thread the next hole and fasten the screw before I take the last 2. I am trying to find a smart way to place the components. Then I've got most of it, I think. Here is my sketch for the transmitter. The interesting thing here is that I use cathode modulation, something I haven't seen before. One tube is for AF and the other for RF. Feedback is taken out on the choke, which is actually a small mains transformer. This was nice. Now I start with the soldering. Now I have soldered up the modulator. Adds 1 kHz triangle pulses. Ufta, not very good. In the meantime, I print out the anode coil. I screw the coil into the coil form. Then many of the large components are placed. Now a lot is mounted. I wasn't too happy with the 12A6 and have therefore switched to the 6V6 and 6L6. This gave a better result. Now I test it with an AM signal. This is the signal out. Very nice. This is the audio signal input. Triangle pulses. Partial electrical schematic. Here we see the modulator. I am trying to build a microphone amplifier for crystal microphone with a double triode 6SN7. I don't get enough gain to drive the 6L6. I've changed to a studio condenser microphone with 48-volt phantom power. This microphone has a greater signal out, so I hope I have enough gain now. Here I have my little audio mixer, which now supplies 48-volt phantom power. Microphone input with transformer. I now get enough gain to drive the modulator, but not a large enough gain to drive the feedback signal. So here there will be no feedback. Here we see the modulation. The signal looks great. It looks like we are getting 100% modulation, even without feedback. I will now try to design a 48-volt phantom power in the transmitter. This transformer must be moved inside. Here we see the microphone input. I generate 48 volts from the 300 volt-anode voltage. Here we see the final result on the microphone amplifier.
En, to. Hallo, hallo, hallo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hallo.
Here is the final electrical schematic. On the left, we see phantom power for the microphone. And here we have the microphone amplifier. Here is the audio amplifier with 6L6, which has a small mains transformer as cathode shock. Input from the oscillator. 6V6 amplifies the signal. The RF signal goes to the 6L6 amplifier. It has a common cathode connection with the audio amplifier, and we get AM modulation out. The transmitter drew more current than the old power supply could deliver, so I had to design a new one. It runs on 230 volts and produces 300 volts DC. 12-volt heating comes from a separate 12-volt power. Pin 1 is ground, pin 2 is 12 VDC, pin 3 is 210 VDC, and pin 4 is 300 VDC inside of the power. MOSFET voltage regulators. Now I will try a QSO. I am trying to answer the national QST-LA in Norway.
Dette Lima Alfa 6, November, Charlie Alfa, over.
Ja, Lima Bravo 6, Golf Juliet 5-9, vær så god. Ja, fint det. Takk skal du ha for rapport og det hele der, og på gjenhør. Jeg hører en stasjon til som jeg tror kjører dobbelt sidebånd. Hvem det, QRZ?
Dette Lima Alfa 6, November, Charlie Alfa, over.
Ja, det var det jeg hadde en mistanke om. Og da vi vel I Larvik da, kanskje? Kom.
Ja, det stemmer. Navnet Helge, og QTH Larvik, som du sier. Og I dag sjekker jeg inn med en 5-watt AM-sender, hjemmelaget. Og du 5,9 pluss her, over.
Ja, fint det, Helge. Ja, du ligger rundt 5 og 6. Men det var litt vanskelig å høre deg, fordi du litt svagt modulert. Litt svagt modulert. Men jeg hørte, eller jeg la merke til carrieren på spektrumskopet, så tenkte jeg, ok, det må være Helge. Det ikke så mange som kjører dobbelt sidebånd. Takk skal du ha for innsjekk, og ha en fin påske der. LA6 NC, ja, det LA1C. Flere metalltegn 6, QRZ.
LA5, X-ray India Alfa. Dette LA6, November, Charlie Alfa, over.
Ja, LA6, NCA, LA5, X-ray India Alfa, svarer.
Ja, dette Lima Alfa 6, November, Charlie Alfa. Hvordan mine signaler? Jeg sender nå med en ny AM-sender med 6L6 I utgangen, over.
Ja, det helt fine signaler. Og jeg får styrke ca. pluss 10 til pluss 20, over.
Ja, det mottatt. Du altså sterk og klar her. Takk for QSO. 73 LA5 X-ray India Alfa. Dette LA6 November Charlie Alfa, over.
Ja, LA5 X-ray India Alfa, 73.
What do you think of this modulator? Write a comment. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, you can press the subscribe button.